to provoke I, because if you do, I will kick your face and you won't like that at all. So please don't you do what they say. Every time I see you, I know that you will be a sister, a dreadlock sister you ought to be. But don't bow to them at all, cause you will have to enter. Just stop pressing here and know yourself out today. The first time I saw you, girl, I could tell you're bound to be a dread. You don't fit to be a ballhead. No, 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 no. All you gotta do is come to I, and I will show you the way to go to Holy Mount Zion, or where you belong. I said you're bound to be my bride, girl. You're bound to be my woman. Just come on to I, and I will show you the way. You're bound to be my bride. I say you're bound to be my woman. Just come on to I, and I will show you the way. Yeah. Ooh, oh, girl. Girl, I could tell you're bound to be a dread. You don't fit to be a ballhead. No, 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 no. But to the Almighty God that keep alive today. For I don't know myself, a woman, you better know yourself. I said you're bound to be my bride, girl. You're bound to be my woman. Just come on to I, and I will show you the way. I said you're bound to be my bride. I said you're bound to be my woman. Just come on to I, and I will show you the way. Yeah, I said you better not up and know yourself. And don't you act like a girl. Not a woman, and I will show you the way to go to Holy Mount Zion, or where you belong. Girl, I said not a woman. You better not a girl, and you'll be okay.